Hey folks, so you've been working on that killer idea or product, right? But now it's time to pitch it to investors or potential customers. Scary, maybe doable? Absolutely. Let's nail your next pitch. First things first, know your audience. Tailor your message to resonate with them. Investors care about return on investment. Customers, on the other hand, want to know how it benefits them. Different strokes for different folks. Next up, start strong. Your opening should grab attention. Think of it as a headline. It needs to be catchy. Maybe start with an interesting story or a shocking fact. Hook them right in. Now onto the meat of your pitch, the problem and solution. Clearly define the problem you're solving. Make it relatable. Then present your solution as the hero of the day. Keep it simple. The key here is clarity. Numbers, numbers, numbers. Investors love data. Show them the market potential, projections, and your current traction. But remember, don't overwhelm. Highlight the key metrics that matter most. Next, tell them why you. What makes you and your team the right people for this? Share your passion, expertise, and unique insights. Confidence here is crucial. They need to believe in you as much as in your product. Wrap it up with a strong closing. Summarize your key points and end with a clear call to action. Whether it's scheduling a follow-up meeting or closing a deal, make your asks specific and actionable. And remember, practice makes perfect. Rehearse your pitch until it flows naturally. Time yourself, get feedback, and refine. So there you have it. Go out there and crush your next pitch. You've got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more entrepreneurial tips.